everyone, it's Annie and I'm out here with Doris. We just finished completing their patio. And Doris, I know we'd helped you with a roof of, I don't know how many months ago, but a while back.
April, I think.
What made you go ahead and give us another call?
Well, the work was so well done. And in the first place, a friend of mine, Cindy Hutcherson, had recommended Gill Construction. So I went with, they had done her roof. But the work was so well done, and they were so efficient and cleaned up everything so well. And we thought we'd go with them again.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us. We love working with you guys, and it's just lovely out here under.
It feels good. It's higher than it was. I think we're getting a cooler breeze, or more breeze.
So thank you so much, and this is Annie and Doris saying goodbye.